Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while, but I've been working on a pretty big knitting project. That's going to be a really awesome video when it's ready, but it's taking me quite a bit of time. But in the meantime, I have something a little bit different to share with you. So I was sent this awesome craft kit by a company called Craft Ease. They sell paint by number kits as well as diamond painting kits. So Craft Ease as a company supports independent artists by featuring their work in their exclusive paint by number kits, giving them exposure and a chance to make money so that they can continue making their artwork. So the project that I completed is a painting that's based on a mural called Matsaloo Barnacle Goose by Lex Zeus. Hopefully I'm saying his name properly. I love it, it's really cute. And then I was sent the kit. The kit comes with everything that I needed to complete the project. Let's check it out and then I'll give you a little review at the end. So this is my final project. I love it, it's so cute. I am just trying to decide if I want to add some like extra personal details. This is basically just following the paint by numbers as is. But there's quite a bit of paint left over because they send more than enough paint to complete the project. So I might add a little finishing touches before I hang it up. So one of the main reasons that I love knitting and crocheting so much is because of how satisfying it is to create something with your hands, basically just like out of string and sticks, and then having something, especially making clothes that I can wear, something I can be really proud of. But the second benefit to it is the relaxation and the kind of meditation that I get from it and stress relief. And I love this project because I found that to be the case with the paint by numbers as well. I used to paint when I was younger, but I don't do it very often. I think just because I have so many hobbies on the go anyways. But yeah, I also just find I get creatively blocked when it comes to painting sometimes. So this was really nice because it's all laid out for you and it's more like doing a puzzle than you don't really have to think about what you're doing. You can just complete it super easy and it comes out really nice in the end, so it's so satisfying. If you want to grab one of these kits for yourself, grab my promo link from the description below and give it a go. I'll see you next time.